Today's video is going to be a take on a graduated bob using combs, two combs together rather than a ponytail. Because I want to pick up on this, hairdressers have been like, what are you doing ponytail haircuts for? Showing people how to do their hair at home. Whereas, I'll pop a clip in here so you can see, he put two combs together, cut it down, and then that's seen as professional. So I'm going to show you this method today. It's really quick. It's just something that I wanted to show you guys as a learning aid, as an educational piece. Let's get into the video. So just going to be working on this mannequin. And just going to want to wet it down, and then all we're going to do is be bringing the hair back, putting two combs in, and then cutting it off, and then that is seen as a more professional way of doing a ponytail haircut. So this is just going to be a really simple sectioning pattern from front to back, and what I will do is on the back I'll be bringing it all back, and then the sides I'll pull back, and we'll get a nice graduated bob. Now what we're going to do is what I do on a lot of haircuts and colours, and how we find the high point. We pop that there, put our finger on there, and then we comb down, and it brings us, depending on the mannequin head but also the individual, to just behind the ear or just on top of the ear, depending on head shape. So straight down, just on top behind the ear on this mannequin. So comb it all the way back. I'm going to get this side, comb it back into the middle like so, and there's my combs creating that angle. And then just want to make sure that the hair is pulled nice and tight through the combs. It's better from the bottom. There we go. So like I did with the ponies, I'm just going to texturize it. Just tidy up that baseline's little hair. So there we go. You can see the shape falling through there. Let me just show you the back. There we go. So angle, one comb's gone. The other one's gone. And it's put in graduation. So nice graduated bob. Let's get to the front. You can see that profile there. There we go. Now what we're going to do is going to clean up that baseline. And I'm going to match the front up, just take it off, and then we'll have a really nice little graduated bob. So, where we want to be working from, that shortest point in the middle, through there, I'll be able to get it so you can see. There's one side. I'm just going to come into that other side. You get that shape, which is just a really nice graduated bob shape, which is a great way to show you really visually. So what we want to do now is I'm just going to go across here and then find that length. I'm just going to cut it across. Next section, drop down, but with ponytails. Let's get that bit at the front, bring that in. But if you can see, we've just got a really nice bob shape there. Tapers in there, and I'm just following what was left, those combs were. So I really want to be cutting from here. Straight across, straight down. Look at that, meets perfectly. So you've got that front shape there. So there's a graduated bob. Really quickly. Just with two combs rather than a ponytail. And if you want to go a little bit further to it, what we can do, I'll bring this sideways so you can see. Just bring this back. You've just got that really nice graduation there. Still have to adjust it slightly, which we did with the ponies. But it gives you a really good understanding of how you could do a graduated bob. Just by understanding the angles the hair falls. You can see this layer on the top here. We just take that off. I'm not going to affect the baseline. I'm just going to work through that curvature through there. Follow the guideline that the comb's put in. Got a little graduated bob. Really simple. So I'll show you just through here. Guide. And there we have it. Graduated bob. Two combs from TikTok. It was on Hairbrain's YouTube channel. But let's get her straightened up. But there you go. That is just another technique on how to put in a graduated bob by just using something to isolate the hair, cut it in a oneer, compound cutting, and create just a really nice shape like that. Really nicely balanced. I mean, it's perfect. And then the silhouette you've got there, just really nice head hugging bob, tucks in there. The balance is there, exactly the same as ponytails. The balance is there. It's just cut with 2 combs rather than a ponytail there, and then refining it afterwards. But yeah, really quick way of cutting a graduated bob. Really nice graduated bob as well. I mean, look at it, all that texture in there. Beautiful.